The world is constantly changing, but now there's a link between the physical world and the digital world that lets you see and measure what's happening on the ground. With Drone Deploy, you can capture high-resolution 3D aerial data and use it to make informed decisions, align your team, and keep projects on track. Getting started is fast and easy. All you need is a drone and a mobile device. Select the area you want to map, then launch a completely automated flight with just a tap.
A 2D live map will appear as your drone flies.
To create a high-resolution map and 3D model, just upload your geotagged images to Drone Deploy. Add users to your account, manage permissions, and collaborate using maps available anywhere on any device. Measure distance, area, and volume. Track changes over time. Monitor plant health. View elevation data and generate contour lines. Once you've learned the basics, explore the industry's largest app marketplace. Integrate with tools like Autodesk. Harness machine learning to count objects or create one-click reports, and streamline your drone operations. Join a vibrant community of users in over 160 countries and discover how drone mapping can offer new perspectives for your organization.